To make it easy for the DIY, we put together a downspout, a buried downspout kit. We have 15 feet of high octane. That'll come off of the clean out. We have the clean out. So there's going to be an option to go with a 2x3x4 gutter adapter or a 3x4x4 gutter adapter. Those are the two sizes that are the two popular sizes. Make sure you get the right gutter adapter, but outside of that, this is going to be super easy. So we have a dual wall, nice straight smooth piece of dual wall here, so nothing can get stuck in there. It's really like Teflon inside. You know, the gutter adapter, here I'll show you. There we go. Look at that. It's nice straight. This is mini culvert pipe. So you got a piece of mini culvert pipe with your gutter adapter, your clean out. We have, again, culvert pipe, dual wall culvert pipe, welded together by the craftsmen at Boffman Tile Company. We have an external snap coupler so that you connect from this clean out, downspout to clean out, and then this snaps onto the dual wall pipe and over the single wall pipe. This little piece of pipe here is for demonstration purposes. Just wanted to show you that it comes with our super sticky, super stretchy tape that is rated to last for 200 years. You want to put it here, here, and here. Seal that up. Make sure that this doesn't leak at the house at all. That's where you want to put the tape. If you have any left, then at the far end, on the end of the the leach field pipe, the knife cut, you want to go ahead and pop the cone in. If you have any tape left, go ahead and secure that. So we have our turf restrictor plate with our pop-up, and then we have a D-box. You simply run this off the downspout, connect it to the solid, run the solid out 15 feet, connect it to the D-box. Then come out the other side with the knife cut. Remember, all the bulk water is going to go through this knife cut, no problem. There's no material ground out. Knife cut lives up to its name. It's just a cut in a pipe, a solid pipe with some cuts. The bulk water is going to travel through this just fine. It's going to make its way all the way to this pop-up emitter. We got the turf restrictor plate so the grass won't grow over the pop-up, because that's number one problem. Grass grows over anywhere you daylight your pipe. The outlet, once the grass grows over it, the water can't escape. That means the water builds up in the downspout and it just cascades over the gutter trough and ends up flooding your basement. So you got your solid pipe to get away from the house. You go to your D-box, and then you go ahead to your knife cut, to your pop-up with a turf restrictor plate. All of this is a kit, making it easy for the DIY. And we can ship it small package.